Hi, I am Rahul Bharati from Tanjavur, Tamil Nadu. I am skilled in quality assurance and quality control in welding inspection, which is very essential for oil and gas industry. I am performing this video to get World Skill Council certificate. Now I am going to perform magnetic particle testing by using well specimen, magnetic yaw, solvent cleaner, magnetic medium, white contrast paint, and by gauge. First of all, we have to clean the well specimen by using solvent cleaner. First of all, we have to do white contrast paint to get white contrast background. And then we have to check magnetic yaw by using by gauge. Magnetic yaw, it functions AC mode and DC mode. Now I use DC mode. First you have to apply white contrast paint on the by gauge. And then you have to apply magnetic medium on the by gauge. Magnetic fields are attracted by gauge. The indications are shown in the by gauge. So magnetic yaw is perfectly working condition. And then you have to check well specimen by using magnetic yaw, and then I apply the magnetic medium. Finally, the defects cracks are shown in the well specimen. finally you have to do post cleaning. The magnetic field test has been finished.